There's so many fish that it's 4 to 10 feet deep, and they can't go down because there's too many fish underneath them.
And the water starts getting dark, and the next thing I know, this water is churning. And I'm not talking like a little thing here, I'm talking thousands of fish just churning this water, the most amazing thing I've ever seen. Never seen anything like it before. And they're just slicing and cutting in the water, and everybody just pounces. People are trying to get their lures in there, and I'm at this point I'm throwing the same thing, a gulp worm on a jig head, and I fire it in there, and I feel it tick, and set the hook, and fish on. And now I'm onto a big striper, and now I got to get this striper out of this group of fish. Oh, look at this. Nice bass. Oh, look at that.
Now, the other rule is that your first striper, you gotta kiss it.
All right, absolutely. First rule, first striper. You gotta kiss that baby, huh?
I didn't say to use tongue.
What? Hey, I'm from Minnesota. This is what happens. Look at this, beautiful.
Now you see there's a little sea
bass.
lice here?
Yeah, yeah.
So he just came in from the ocean. These fish are migrating from up as far as Maine all the way down in North Carolina. They're gonna winter there.
Nice.
The last time they estimated the stock, 26 million fish. Now it's dwindled tremendously since then, but you're talking about a large amount of fish that are migrating down this path here.